The increasingly desperate search for 10-month-old baby Lisa, missing now for more than a week. As the police track down every lead, ABC News has obtained surveillance tapes and 911 tapes that might shed some light on what happened. And ABC's Abby Boudreau is live in Kansas City with the latest. Good morning, Abby.
Good morning, George. Baby Lisa has been missing for 10 days now. Police say they're looking at every possible clue, trying to piece together exactly what happened leading up to her disappearance.
This grocery store surveillance video shows baby Lisa's mother just hours before her daughter disappeared.
They seem very nice, always happy-go-lucky. Every time I would ask about the kids, always would pop up, oh, they're great, they're doing good.
Here you can see Deborah Bradley smiling, shopping with this man, who a family spokesperson says is her brother. Police confirm she bought a box of wine, baby wipes, and baby food.
She doesn't look depressed. She seems to be walking at a normal gait. If anything, it exonerates her from the standpoint that she's being normal, acting normal.
This morning, ABC News has obtained these police dispatch tapes as officers discuss the moments after the baby's father called 911.
He knows his brain is busted and his 10-month-old daughter is missing. He advised that he didn't witness anything and I know how long she's been gone.
That was 10 days ago. Since then, few solid leads. On Wednesday, police scoured wooded areas and fields close to the family's home.
Where is the baby? Seriously, where's the baby?
The Irwin family is now being assisted by private investigator Bill Stanton. He's a former New York City police officer. He says a wealthy benefactor is paying him to work the case.
They're not here for notoriety. That's why it's called anonymous.
For now, the house where baby Lisa was last seen in her crib sits empty. Her mother says the family will never move back home.
The family says they plan to have a meeting later this week to announce their entire investigative team, which includes 2 high-powered lawyers who they say will be working on their behalf.